And we did have some damage, and Melissa and I were watching that, and the damage came in, some trees down, some hail, and some pretty impressive pictures. And Melissa's got more on that. Melissa.
Yeah, I think the photos were even more impressive of some of the clouds that we saw out there today versus some of the trees coming down as well. But the cluster of damage that we're getting were from those strong severe storms right through Frederick County and eastern Washington County as well. A few trees down, not seeing as many power outage problems though from those trees down. Look at these cool photos. This is a series of 2 photos of the same storm. It's a shelf cloud is what it's called, this distinct cloud that's like bowing out in front of the main line of storms. This was from Frederick, Maryland. Jennifer sent this one in on Twitter. We've got another kind of similar photo from Thurmont, Maryland. Craig sent this one in. This is so cool. So you see these clouds as storms are coming in, severe thunderstorms, and it's kind of scary looking, right? Well, this does not actually cause severe weather, the shelf cloud itself. The reason why we get a shelf cloud is with strong thunderstorms, you get cold air that pushes out in front of the storm, forces warm air up, and that warm air condenses, makes these funny looking clouds. Very cool. But Howard, today was a pretty active day. Tomorrow we're not going to see as many thunderstorms for Memorial Day itself. So at least for some of those outdoor plans tomorrow, things look a little bit better.
Yeah, exactly. We are looking at some quieter weather headed our way. Tonight, we still have temps in the 70s to near 80 degrees. That's one reason we still have storms at this hour. The other reason, there's still a lot of low-level moisture around. Dew points in the 60s and low 70s. Our dew point last hour was 71. It's dropped to 66, so kind of sticky out there for sure on our, when we look at the actual dew point temperatures and what they mean. Tomorrow, a better day, just an isolated shower or storm. Low 70s in the morning, mid to upper 70s at lunchtime. Low 80s, maybe 85, 84 in the warm spots. I'm going 84 for National Airport, but all in all, looks like a much better Memorial Day, and the parade in the afternoon in town should be in pretty good shape. Partly to mostly cloudy tonight once these storms end, 64 to 72. Tomorrow morning, partly to mostly cloudy, 70s, but in the afternoon, I think a good deal of sunshine, just a stray shower or storm. Almost all of us aren't going to see weather, wet weather tomorrow, 79 to 84. Now, the heat comes back on Tuesday. Could be a few storms, temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90. It turns hot midweek with isolated storms, especially near the Pennsylvania border Wednesday and Thursday. Mid-90s both days. We cool off to 87 Wednesday. And some storms looks like could be returning Saturday before isolated weather, but still quite warm on Sunday in the upper 80s.
First half of the week. Thank you, Howard and Melissa. Last night, severe weather tore through Warrenton, Virginia, downing trees and power lines. As many as 3,000 people dealt with power outages in the area. So today, you can imagine crews were hard at work getting things back up and running. Here's Inez de la Cuetera.
Residents first saw an ominous wall-like cloud approaching. Then the storm hit hard, knocking out trees and power lines as it tore through Warrenton.
It got pretty hectic here for approximately 2 hours. Reports of tornado sightings from certified weather spotters. And obviously the National Weather Service at this point is trying to investigate as to whether or not that actually came to fruition.
There were no injuries, but today crews were hard at work picking up the pieces.
We had several trees into homes throughout town. Very minor structural damage from that component. However, we did have some catastrophic failures of power lines, power poles.
He says as of this afternoon, there were still about 150 to 200 residents in Warrenton without power.
So we've opened up a cooling station at the firehouse to allow them to come due to the heat.
The fire chief says it's not unusual for there to be storms in the area this time of year, though it does feel as if there have been more storms than usual.
It seems to be constant versus, not as routine. So it definitely seems to be an uptick.
In fact, another storm is expected to hit Fauquier County tonight.
Underlying issue of a possibility of additional storms later on this evening could compound the already existing power outages and damages.
So officials are urging people to watch out, to keep an eye on social media, and if you do get a report of severe weather, to seek cover immediately. In Warrenton, Inez de la Cuetera, WUSA 9.
Important thing there, no injuries, like she said.
Absolutely. And it's important also to stay in tune to what's happening. And we have all the information on our WUSA 9 mobile app.
Storms went by quickly.
That's
all right. Still ahead here tonight. Tears were certainly flowing from many of the Terrapins today, both on and off the field. We'll tell you why next.
DC isn't for the faint of heart. We're original. We know what's right, and we know what's real.
And you deserve news